Option Center's Monday after the bell, 6/28/21. Welcome everybody. This is a quick update on the market. We're also going to go through some trade ideas that we had in the Discord, our free Discord, the Options Guy. Check it out. It'll be in the description below. The link will be there. All right, so let's jump into it. We're going to start off with the SPX on the daily. Head over to the rest of, let's see, we'll go over to SPY for a little bit of volume, then we'll check out all the trade ideas for today. SPX on, oh, by the way, go down to that bottom right hand corner. If you're brand new here, hit that Options Center logo, subscribe. We do this each and every day. SPX on the daily. We're chugging to the upside. We're grinding. We're above the 8MA. We're bullish on everything. We're making a cross above the MACD. We're making a cross above this downtrend line on RSI. Doesn't mean we won't make another bearish divergence, but as of right now, we are bullish all the way around. Check this grinding out. You know, each daily candle has such a small range. That is our key, just like this range right here. Not huge moves, you know, you had a couple in between, but when this happens, you have to go for individual names. You know, don't try to just go for the indices. It's a tough game to play. So we're looking at individual names right now. It's a stock pickers market. All right, so we are in Elliott Wave 4, 5 of 5. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on Wave 5 of the expanded flat. So our first potential goal is 100%. We have to have 100% at least move. The wave 5 has to be bigger than wave 3, so this is 100%. We're probably going to exceed that by a little bit, at least, in order to make this a valid expanding flat. Okay, let's go over to SPY. SPY coming up on stage. Just kidding. So we have waning volume. We are coming up into July 4th weekend. The up move is not tremendous, but we're also in summer doldrums. So I don't expect a huge amount of volume, but we'll continue to watch this. We did break out from somewhat of a ascending triangle. We had this turquoise here line. If we are to get the measure move, it would be around somewhere 442 area. We will be checking that out. But in the meantime, we're above the 8MA. We're bullish. Let's jump into a couple trade ideas. We did jump into Abnb. This one is triangulating. Really holding on by a string. You know, I drew lines a couple different ways, but holding that 20 MA and right at the 8. I wouldn't have. I jumped in this on Friday, so I wouldn't be holding. I would not have jumped on this today if I were to do that. We don't have any conviction with the volume. We did push off the 20, but we really have to get over that 8MA and the 50 down here. But holding on tight to the weeklies, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. See if we get any follow through. Beyond huge call today. We had huge volume in the calls on Friday, so we jumped into Beyond. Wonderful day that happened here. We had a flag action on Friday. Pushed above, we had a reversal off of the bottom of the flag, came right to the 61.8 retracement, had a follow through, closed above the 8MA, and today just a huge gap and go. We're back above the midline on this channel, which is also very bullish. And so in the very near term, we have nice resistance here at about a 164, 165 price. So we will be taking off our other half of our position just to make sure that we're taking our gains, locking them in, and see what happens. You know, if we make a reversal from here, then we know that something else is happening, and wave 5-5, you know, we'll have to redo our count. But we'll see the reaction. We get above it, then we have something to play against. You know, we know when we're wrong. We have something to put our back against. So that's how we play. We have to have some sort of game plan when we're taking these trades. BTC. All right, Bitcoin possibly a bottom here. We had to draw another support line. Came off to that nice doji candle, and we're pushing. We're consolidating right underneath. I think we might have came right on top of the, yeah. So we closed right above the ABnB, but we have the ABnB 200 moving average, and we're right underneath the 20. So we have a little bit of work to do, but we're definitely looking to the upside on Bitcoin. What's next? NEO. NEO was a call today. We actually missed this move. Huge move, almost 10%. Came out of this falling wedge, very bullish. It looks like it might be forming a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be a wave 1 and come back for a wave 2, but I wouldn't have gotten this any earlier. We just now got above all of these MAs. We're above all of them, 8, 20, 100, 50s down there, 200. So all of them were in this confluence, and we didn't really want to mess with it too early, but pushed off today. Today was a great day. We missed that one. Hopefully you got that trade idea if you're in the Discord. Chewy. Chewy, we've been playing this one the last couple days. It's been really good to us. We have this descending pivot. Pushed off of that. We have a little bit of confluence here. We're pushing off the 8, the 200, and we actually cashed out right at this 100 MA. It also happens to be the weekly, a little bit of resistance, but also the options expected move for the week. So we wanted to make sure we saw how it's going to handle this, and then if it gets above, then we'll play it to the upside again. So Chewy, good play today. AMD. AMD pushing out of this downtrend line, but came out to resistance, so we did not jump into this name. This is the resistance that matters to me. We get above it. We have something to put our back against. So we can go to all-time highs at that point, at least test the all-time highs, see what happens there. CAT, one of our members. Also, looking into CAT, we had this uptrend. That was broke. We're underneath so many of the MAs. Coming down to the 200, I'm definitely not bullish on CAT. This looks ugly. We're even under the ABnB, couldn't hold above that. So not looking to get into this name anytime soon. Bidu. Bidu definitely looking to get into here. Broke the triangle and came into resistance. We did not jump into it at that point. Had that confluence there, but we want to see how we play with this resistance, get above there, then we have something to go against. And then our next point would be also this. I'll draw another line there. This will be good. Resistance at that point, and also coincides with 100 day moving at average. So that will be our next point. We have some room to play with this name if it likes to get over yesterday's range as a pause tomorrow. Yeah, and that does it for us here. So good luck. Join us in the Discord, and also hit that like button if you like this information. We'll keep you updated.